What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin, head designer here at Nia Auto Design, and today we're going to be installing the new Nia sides on this brand new Lexus RC. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about the piece. One is made out of ABS plastic, so it's nice, strong, and durable. Two, we have it available in every color, including the ultra white, and we also have it in gloss black, satin black, matte black, and we now have it in F-Sport gray, which is the same color as your grille. Three, when we designed this kit, we actually took in mind all the car body lines. So if you'll notice, the fin is the same size as your side skirt indentation, and we also use your factory bolts. And finally, we make it easier for you by pre-drilling all the holes and supplying you with all the hardware. With the purchase of the Nia sides, you're gonna receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're gonna need a 10mm socket, a clip remover or a flathead screwdriver, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. All right, so first things first, we wanna wipe down the bottom of the car, remove any rocks or any debris that you might have stuck underneath. Alright, so first things first, we want to remove this splash guard that you have done there. This is when you grab your clip remover and you're going to remove the two bottom clips. Now that the two clips on the bottom are removed, we're going to get the 10mm socket, and between the wheel and the wheel well, we're going to remove the 10mm bolts that's in between. Now that we remove the splash guard, we're going to reinstall the screw back in. Alright, so call a friend or family member to align the side skirts to the bottom of the car. And what you want to do is the same factory clips that you just removed, we're going to align them to these pre-drilled holes and use them to mount up the side skirt. Now that the two clips are installed, this is when you get the support screws, and we're going to start drilling them on the car halfway. Now that the support screws are in halfway, this is when you get the stubby Phillips screwdriver and you hand tighten it. By hand tightening it, you prevent from over tightening and stripping the side skirt. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please visit our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RC. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you. Thanks again.